How many days do we have in a week? Answer 7 days. Which month of the year has the least number of days? Answer February. Which festival is known as the Festival of Flower? Answer Onam. What is a baby frog called? Answer is tadpole. Where does a pig live? Answer is sty. We smell with our answer is nose. Which is the largest mammal? Answer is blue whale. What do you call the person who brings a letter to your home from post office? Answer postman. What type of gas do plants observe? Answer is carbon dioxide. Which place is known as the roof of the world? Answer is Tibet. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. How many years are there in 1 million? Answer is 1000 years. How many days are there in a year? Answer 365 days. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Answer is Neil Armstrong. How many primary colors are there? Answer is 3: red, yellow, blue. Which way is the anti-clockwise, left or right? Answer is left. How many equal sides does an isosceles triangle have? Answer 2. What do you call a house made up of ice? Answer igloo. Which is the longest river on the earth? Answer is Nile. How many days are there in the month of February in a leap year? Answer 29 days. Which is the principal source of energy for earth? Answer is sun. Which is the smallest continent? Answer Australia. Which is the densest jungle in the world? Answer Amazon rainforest. Which is the coldest location in the earth? Answer is Antarctica. How many colors are there in a rainbow? Answer 7. What is the standard test of the water? Answer is water is tasteless. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Answer is Mount Everest. Which country is called the land of rising sun? Answer is Japan. Which is the fastest animal on the land? Answer is cheetah. Continent is known as dark continent. Answer is Africa. Who is the inventor of electricity? Answer is Benjamin Franklin. Which planet is known as the red planet? Answer is Mars. Which is the tallest animal on the earth? Answer is giraffe. Which is the most sensitive organ in our body? Answer is skin. Which animal is known as the sheep of desert? Answer is camel. Which two parts of the bodies continue to grow for your entire life? Answer is nose and ears. The largest democracy in the world? Answer is India. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Answer is Pacific Ocean. Which is the instrument used to measure blood pressure? Answer is magnetometer. How many years are there in a century? Answer is 100 years. Which is the largest country in the world? Russia. Caterpillar turn into butterflies. True or false? Answer is true. Adults have a total of 34 teeth. True or false? Answer is false. There are 30 days in May. True or false? Answer is false. New York is the capital of America. True or false? Answer is false. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? Answer is 26. Cinderella's carriage turns into a potato. True or false? Answer is false. Half of 250 is 125. True or false? Answer is true. An ostrich eye is bigger than its brain. Answer is true or false? True. A jellyfish is 95% water. True or false? Answer is true. Bubble gum contain rubber. Answer is true or false? Answer is true. Plants give us oxygen. True or false? Answer is true. 8 o'clock in the evening is written as 8 a.m. Answer is true or false? False. Acorn was part of the first meal eaten on the moon. True or false? Answer is true. Spanish originally comes from Iran. True or false? Answer is true. Watermelons are originally from Australia. Answer is false. Originally from West Africa. How many consonants are there in the English alphabet? Answer is 21. Black Forest cake has the same colors as the traditional dress of inhabitants of the Black Forest in Germany. Answer is true. There are over 330 different dogs breeds in the world. Answer is true. Thunderstorms have particular sound frequency that can hurt a dog's ears. Answer is true. Adult dog and adult human have the same number of teeth. True or false? Answer is false. The deadliest earthquake of 2017 took place in Iran and Iraq. Answer is true or false? Answer is true. Electrons are larger than molecules. True or false? Answer is false. What is the hottest continent on the earth? Answer is Africa. How many planets are there in our solar system? Answer is 8. How many sides are there in a triangle? Answer is 3. What is the 15th letter of the English alphabet? Answer is O. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Answer is nitrogen. Which is the continent with the most number of countries? Answer is Africa. How many people are there in the world? Answer is over 7 billion. How many strings does a violin have? Answer is 4. Which is the most common non-contagious disease in the world? Answer is tooth decay. Global warming is caused by the excess of which type of gas? Answer is carbon dioxide. In which direction does the sun rise? Answer is east. What makes up approx 80% of our brain volume? Answer is water. Which African nation is famous for chocolate? Answer is Ghana. Which instrument is used for the smallest continent in the world? Answer is Australia. What cover approximately 71% of the earth surface, land or water? Answer is water. What is the top color in a rainbow? Answer is red. Which country is home to the kangaroo? Answer is Australia. Which language is used by the computer to process data? Answer is binary language. Star and Strip is the nickname of the flag of which country? Answer is United States of America. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? Answer is France. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Answer is Leonardo da Vinci. What do you call a type of shape that has 5 sides? Answer is pentagon. What is the name of the Greek god of music? Answer is Apollo. Who invented the telephone? Answer is Alexander Graham Bell. What does the SIM in the SIM card stand for? Answer is Subscriber Identity Module. Which is the first element on the periodic table of elements? Answer is hydrogen. Which is the tallest